Learning Objective.
Welcome to Learn Arabic Step by Step. In this series, you'll learn how to read, write, and speak Arabic, even if you're a complete beginner.
Arabic has 28 letters. They are written from right to left. Each letter has a name and a sound. Let's learn the first few letters.
Alif, like A in apple. Alif, like A in apple. Alif, like A in apple.
B, like B in bat. B, like B in bat. B, like B in bat.
T, like T in top. T, like T in top. T, like T in top. Th, like th in think. Th, like th in think. Th, like th in think.
I will pronounce the letter and then use an Arabic word that starts with the same letter, and then I will translate it.
Alif is the first letter in the word lion in Arabic, and the pronunciation of the word lion is written below the rectangle. Asad, Asad, Asad. The letter ba is the first letter in the word bait in Arabic. The pronunciation of the word bait is written below the rectangle. Bait, bait, bait. The letter ta is the first letter in the word apple in Arabic. The pronunciation of the word apple is written below the rectangle. Tufahatan, tufahatan, tufahatan. Tha is the first letter in the word dress in Arabic, and the pronunciation of the word dress is written below the rectangle. Thawb, thawb, thawb. Training. Now we will take some practice on the previous letters. Alif, Asad, lion, Asad, lion, Asad. Alif, Asad, Alif, Asad, Alif, Asad. Ba, bite, ba, bite, bite house, bite house, bite house, bite house. تا تفاحة apple. تا تفاحة apple. تفاحة apple. تفاحة apple. Thawb dress. Thawb dress. Thawb dress. Thaw thawb. Thaw thawb. Well done! In the next lesson, we will learn some more letters, so study well and work hard. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share the video so that everyone can benefit.